Hello students of class 8, hope you are all doing well. So in the previous video of time and work I have discussed about some of the sums from MCQs and then the filling the blanks, right? So today we will start from subjective type question and I will discuss sum number 1. So what is sum number 1? The question given is a carpenter can prepare 3 almirahs in 4 days. How many days will he take to prepare 12 almirahs? So we will solve this sum. Okay. Now you know how to write what is the pattern when we are solving the sums from time and work. So this is sum number 1. So what we will do, we will write number of almirahs here and number of days here. Okay, right? Now for making 3 almirahs we require 4 days, right? So for making 3 almirahs we require 4 days. Okay, first of all do one thing. First of all write let the number of days required to prepare 12 almirahs be X. Okay, then you write in this fashion number of almirahs here and number of days here. Okay, so 3 almirahs can be made within 4 days and 12 almirahs within X days. So number of almirah represent what? Amount of work, right? Amount of work. Don't write this, okay? Amount of work I am writing so that you can understand well. And number of days mean number of days required to make the almirahs. So that is time. You can say time required. Okay, so I have already explained to you what is the relation between amount of work and time. There is a direct relationship between amount of work and time. So as the amount of work will increase, then the number of days will also increase. So the amount of work was first of all 3, then it has increased and become 12. First initially we need to find 3 almirahs, now we need to build 12 almirahs. Obviously to build 12 almirahs we need more number of days. So how should we write? We should write like this. Okay, we should write like this. Therefore 3 by 12 equals to 4 by x. Okay, 3 by 12 equals to 4 by x. Okay, I am rubbing it once. Therefore 3 by 12 equals to 4 by x. So if I calculate the value of x, this will be 3x equals to 48. Therefore x equals to 48 by 3, which is 12. Okay, so in this manner you need to do the sum. Okay, then let us discuss sum number 3. Okay, so what is sum number 3 given? In sum number 3 it is given that 12 workers can fit a machine in 40 days. In how many days 20 workers fit the machine, right? So in how many days 20 workers fit the machine? So we will write first that let the number of days be X. Let the number of days be X when 20 workers are fitting the machine or fitting a machine. Okay, So again we will write in this manner. How will we write? Number of workers here and number of days here. Okay, so this is 12, this is 20, this is 40 and this is x, right? Now what is the relation between the number of, so this is the number of workers and this is the number of days, which is the time, span of time, right? So what is the relation between number of workers and number of days? I have also, number of workers and span of time I have already discussed. The relation between number of workers and number of days is inverse relation. So how will we write? Therefore we can write like this. In this side, that is in the left hand side, we will write as it is, that is 12 by 20, but in the right hand side we will just do the reciprocal of this and then we will write. Why? Because this is the inverse relation, so we will reciprocate and then write. So this will be x by 40, right? X by 40. So this is 12 into 40 by 20 is equals to x. This will cut and the x is how much? X is 24. Okay, so what will be the answer? What will be the answer? The answer will be the number of days required to fit a machine by 20 men is 24 days. So the number of days required to fit the number of days required 24 days are required, like 24 days are required to fit a machine by 20 men. Obviously, first of all, initially there was 12 men, right? Initially there was 12 men. Now as the number of men has increased from 12 to 20, obviously the work will be done much faster. Thus machine is still one. Okay, so at initially 12 men were working for a machine, now 20 men are working for a machine. So obviously the time required by the 20 men will be much less now. So the answer is now 24. Initially it was 40, now it is 24. Okay, so this much for this video. We will continue from the next video. I hope you understand. Thank you.